until I stop, and you can do anything you want over here, right? No, sir, because if you distract me, I don't want to get in an accident.
All right. We're cruising. Biker behind us, and I said, "Hi there." We're in the country lands now, boy. Yep, country thuggin'.
Red Sea River.
Any new marks on the ground? Oh yeah.
Is there any?
Looks it. Yeah, it looks like it. That's what's his name's house?
Who?
I told you, Dennis Avery.
And who is he again? Alright, I think we're turning here.
Yeah, good. Right here? Oh, the old house right there, boss.
State Park? Moline State Park.
And this house is old, or this barn, or whatever this is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, get some here and there, boss.
This is Camp Moline is a state park. It doesn't.
That's yeah, this is country land right here, boss. Hey, this is their other drift spot, remember? The other drift spot right here. Yeah.
Where?
The guys here.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right. Yep.
There's Aunt Lynn's old house coming up right here.
Whose house?
Aunt Lynn's old house. Dad's aunt. They live in upstate New York now.
When did they move?
A couple years ago.
Yeah.
2017.
Oh, okay.
18, 17, 18.
So I used to go over there for picnics and shit?
But yeah. Got the old nice headliner here. Old nice headliner. Huh? It's still in great shape. Huh?
Yeah.
What year is this truck? A 2000?
Yep, this is a 2000.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Seats are comfortable.
Supposed to be, huh?
Yeah.
Pink metal.
Oh look. We are now here, right? We're here. Here. Ah, yeah. There's rev it up again a little bit. Hell yeah. Looking good. Looking good, boss. Ha ha ha. Looking good. Windows up. It's got the dents on the side here though. Y'all know, y'all seen this truck before, so I ain't gotta. Yeah. Looking good there, Hoss.
Are you gonna do like a little video now?
Yeah.
And then we'll take a walk?
Do a little video now and
Because I'm gonna cast, so I need you nearby if I hit something.
yeah. Oh yeah, if you hit something, you know,
I mean, I'm gonna be right here, but
it has to be something big.
whoa.
Right? Hopefully?
Yeah, I mean, that's the plan, but I would like to just catch anything for us. It's fun, right?
You know what Whistle Diesel would say if he had this truck, right?
What's that?
You know what Whistle Diesel would say if he... You know what Whistle Diesel would do if he had this truck, right? He'd destroy it, because look at it. I mean, he destroys even brand new stuff that are much nicer, like 2017 and up. Like, come on now. Right?
Yeah.
He wouldn't care. He would want to fix it up, like...
I don't. Right?
Right. Got the old freshies, right? The old freshies.
You do your videos and I'll just... And then in a little bit...
Yeah.
Unless we continue to hit something.
Yeah.
But if not, we'll take a little walk. Get into it. Yeah.
Yeah. Looking nice, looking nice. For an old trip. It's Rusty.